Hey, it's Costa. I'm doing a video response because this could probably be sent to several comments in regards to our $35 oil change special. But, Rick's comment is the one right in front of me, so it's the easiest to respond to at the moment. And I understand the sentiment, although I don't think it's necessary to make accusations of shady stuff going on. But at the end of the day, we just opened our 70th location, right? And we're more likely to open stores than we are to close stores. The fact of the matter is, we buy millions of gallons of oil. So when you go to the AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, Walmart, and you see that 6 quarts of oil today is $40 retail. Well, that's not our cost. And every gallon of oil we buy is Havoline motor oil, which is made by Chevron. It's the second oldest continually manufactured lubricant in the country. The only brand that's older than Havoline as a continually manufactured lubricant is Valvoline. Havoline obviously is most known for the Davey Allison days in NASCAR, but at the end of the day, we do buy quality oil. We do buy quality filters. Champ makes most of the filter brands that you know of. There's only so many domestic filter manufacturers in this country. And so we're one of the few brands that use made in the USA filters. Um, so I think it's important to point that out, that our cost is not your cost. And there's a reason we're able to do this. We're not a publicly traded company. We don't have private equity. It's just me. I own the business. There's no other shareholders. So if I choose to do an oil change at below our cost, which would be substantially less than $35, by the way, I'm the only one that has to make that decision, right? And the funny thing about these comments is, um, there's another guy in the same exact thread that says $35 is not even a deal. So it's we're in this weird space right now in the oil change space, where there's people who think that $35 is too much money, and then there's people like Rick who think that it's such a low price that there's has to be something nefarious going on, when in reality there isn't. I'm just making deals for people in the communities that we do business. So figured I would do this quick video as an explainer. Hopefully, Rick takes it in stride and doesn't get offended by it. But there's nothing shady going on, and we're going to be around for uh, quite some time. So we'll see you at your next oil change.